పెగాసిస్ పై లోక్సభలో విపక్షాల ఆందోళన కొనసాగుతోంది. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
उसकी जानकारी वो मेरे से ले सकते हैं. नंबर 263 श्रीमती सजदा अहमद, माननीय मंत्री जी. अध्यक्ष महोदय, उत्तर सभा पटल पर रख दिया गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 264 श्री AKG सिंधराज. नो. माननीय मंत्री जी पर रख दिया गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 265 श्रीमती भावना गावित. माननीय मंत्री महोदय, माननीय मंत्री महोदय, माननीय सदस्य नो श्री ओम राजे निम्बालकर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 266 श्रीमती समिष्टा सेठी.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 266.
माननीय मंत्री जी.
Sure, there are over 9 lakh children with severe malnutrition in India. To address this problem, Odisha government is taking several measures. Odisha supports the nutrition agenda through agricultural policies, the public distribution system, among others. Odisha has become the first Indian state to drop a nutrition budget in the country. UNICEF as well as NITI Aayog have appreciated Odisha's efforts in direction of addressing malnutrition. In 2021-22 budget, Union government merged the supplementary nutrition program and Poshan Abhiyan, but the budget estimate on nutrition has gone down to 2700 crore in 2021-22 from rupees 3700 crore in 2021-2021. Budget enhancement is required if you want to sustain the momentum of the mission. Sir, I would like to ask the Honorable Minister whether there is any proposal to increase the allocation on nutrition and provide the states like Odisha where program is being run successfully.
Sir, through you, I'd like to bring to the attention of the Honourable Member that the Government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi is committed to ensuring that the nutritional needs of all children, pregnant and lactating women are met. The Honourable Member's expression about reduction in budget, I have previously and along with the MOS, Ministry of Women and Child Development, answered to this very august House that given the revised expenditure of our ministry, we have ensured that not a penny is spent less on the nutritional needs of all states, which includes the state of Odisha. We are in continuous engagement with the state government to ascertain the infrastructure and nutritional needs of the project in Odisha.
Sir, supplementary question. So further, the mission Poshan basically addresses the problem of aspirational districts. What steps are being taken to address this issue in the districts which are not in the category of aspirational districts?
Sir, I think the anomaly that has been expressed by the Honourable Member needs to be corrected. Poshan Abhiyan is an effort of the Government of India across all districts and all states of our country, and I very happily, sir, express on the floor of this House that for the first time in the history of independent India, there have been governments before the Modi government who have not given instruments in Anganwadi so that a child can be measured or weighed. It is under Poshan Abhiyan that the Honourable Prime Minister has ensured that not only measuring devices are given to Anganwadis, but even every Anganwadi now is covered with smartphones so that data can be automatically generated about beneficiaries that need to get enrolled and the benefits that are to be accrued to them. Sir, in the month of March, Poshan Tracker was launched by this very government, and I'm happy to say that in just 3 months, we have had every Anganwadi in the country now digitally connected to the Government of India so that needs of the Anganwadi, including